Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I created this soft, glowy and easy makeup look. I really wanted to sit down, try some new products which I haven't used before, and also try to make sure that it's really easy and also really quick, so you guys can all try to recreate it if you like how it's looking. I personally really like it, one because I've never worn this hairstyle before and I really like it. I'm just wearing a very simple bun and I curled the front layers of my hair, which was like 1 minute work. Also, this lip color is really pretty. Lately I'm just using the same colors over and over, so it's kind of refreshing to use something different. So I'm starting with a bare face and I'm going to first moisturize my skin. I'm using the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base, which is my absolute favorite face creams. You know, with some moisturizers it kind of makes your skin look cakey, but with this one I don't have that problem at all. I use it in combination with a lot of foundation, but it never disappoints me. Then I'm putting my hair back and then I'm going to use this primer from Benefit Cosmetics, the Professional, one of my favorite all-time primers. And also in this video I'll be using the new Benefit Cosmetics Hello Happy foundation, so I felt like using it in combination with a primer from the same brand would be like a nice combination. So I'm using this new foundation in the shade 5, which matches really well with my neck. I know my face is a little bit lighter than my neck, but I always like to match my neck with my face, if that makes sense. So I'm applying this all over the face and buffing this in using my Real Techniques buffer brush. I feel like this foundation is like a light to medium and I always use like very full coverage foundations. But even though this is like a light medium, I think it looked really nice and I was kind of surprised how much I liked it. So now I'm going to use the Tarte Cosmetics Shape Tape Concealer, applying this underneath the eyes. Since this is like more a light to medium foundation, I applied a little bit more of this concealer in the center of my face to still have that more coverage where I need it. And I think the combination of this Shape Tape Concealer and the Benefit Foundation is really nice. I don't know, I just was really surprised because I'm so used to using like full coverage foundations, but I think this is just a really nice combination or foundation for if you don't want to use like a very full coverage foundation, basically just for on a regular day, or if you are just a person that likes more soft, lighter foundations, if that makes sense. Now I'm using this What's Up highlighter from Benefit. I think this is a very underestimated product. I think this is one of the most gorgeous cream highlighters I have ever tried. The color is just so gorgeous if you are around my color complexion. It just really melts into the skin. It's really nice to use below or like underneath a powder highlighter. The combination is really nice. Now I'm blending this in using a damp beauty blender, and I'm just kind of trying to buff this into my foundation so it really melts together. And you can also use this highlighter on its own, but I prefer to like use it in combination. Now I'm going to use this new powder from Huda Beauty. I'm using it in the shade Pound Cake, and this is a translucent powder, which I also think is really gorgeous. I just feel like the combination of all the products I used today really made my skin look flawless without using too much product. Now I'm taking this mineralized skin finish powder from MAC, my all-time favorite product to use as a bronzer. Normally I would use like a cream contour shade or bronzer for my forehead, but today, because I'm really trying to keep it quick and easy, I'm only using a powder bronzer. Now I'm using this new palette from Revolution Pro, mixing these two highlighters together and applying this on the cheekbones and basically everywhere, while I also applied the What's Up highlighter from Benefit. I just wanted my skin to be very glowy today. It was a really sunny day outside, so whenever it's sunny I always drown my skin in highlighter. I think it's so gorgeous when the sun reflects on the skin. Now I'm using this Milani blush in the shade Luminoso, which I think is the most popular blush from Milani. It's so gorgeous. Now for my brows, I'm taking this pencil from The Balm Cosmetics. It's one of their Ferocious pencils, not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, and I'm using the shade Medium Brown. Then I'm taking this 3-Day Brow Tones from Benefit Cosmetics, and I'm going to use this to set my brows in place, and also this will give it like a slight tint I'm really trying to keep it more soft today. Normally I use more products on the brows. And I'm taking the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 spray, spraying this all over the face. This will make the powders that I used before melt into my skin. And then I'm using the Roller Lash Mascara from Benefit Cosmetics as well, which I'm currently really liking. It makes my upper lashes really lifted. And to line my lips, I'm taking this Oak Lip Pencil from MAC Cosmetics, a very nice brown color to use in combination with nude colors, which I am really liking. But in today's video, I'm going to use a different color than I would normally go for, just to kind of switch it up, because I know I'm currently like using the same colors over and over again. So I'm using this Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick, which is like a nude brown. A bit of a darker color than I would normally go for, but I'm really liking it, and I think it kind of spices up this soft look. I think the focus is going to the lips. And then this is the end result. I just put my hair in a simple bun and I curled the front layers of my hair. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was really quick, really easy, but I just wanted to focus on the skin, try some new products which I haven't used before, and yeah, I'm really liking the outcome. It's really simple, but still I think this is like really nice for if you go somewhere. It's like glam, but not too glam, if you know what I mean. So I really hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know in the comments if you want me to do these type of videos more often. Also, I would love to know if you guys are interested in me doing a video using this palette from Revolution. I just checked their website and it's only €9, which I think is around $10 and maybe £6. Which is so affordable and it looks so amazing. So let me know if you guys are interested in a video, and also if you're like able to get your hands on it, because if it's only available in the UK, for example, I don't feel like what's the point of doing a video if you guys can't get your hands on it. But just let me know in the comments, because I really would like to do a video with it because it's so affordable and it looks really good. So just let me know in the comments, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys!